Right, this one's from 1988, and another good example of how stupid the American names are as opposed to the UK ones. This is a snowplow, right? Simple as that. Not in America, it's not. It's a blizzard blazer. Just unnecessarily over the top name. That it's just a snowplow. Okay, don't be silly. Snowplow. So here we go. Then 6524 snowplow / blizzard blazer. Here's the chap. Bit of a plain chap there, isn't he? Could have done with some sort of logo or print on the torso there, but they couldn't be bothered, obviously. So let's stick him together then as quick as we can. Right, here we go then. 2x8 plate at the back. We want 2 of these 1x2 plates. There they go. My fingers are dreadful. I have basically bleached my fingers, look. So I was going to make a video of me sticking the stuff in the hydrogen peroxide. I couldn't be asked. I thought that'd be more boring than these ones. There we go. Let's put our hinge assembly on the front there. We've got 4 of these grey 1x1 round bricks, which are supposed to symbolise an engine, I think. Let's put our inverted slopes as well. They can go on. Oh, Spain ladies have just scored a goal. And there we go, we're getting there. And actually, as I'm doing this, I should tell people to subscribe to the channel, shouldn't I? Because amazingly, I can't believe it myself, but some people are actually watching these, would you believe it? So if you are, I'm going to do absolutely hundreds of them, by the way. So if you are actually interested, then you might want to subscribe, because you will then get to see lots of others, because I do have from about the invention of the original minifigure in what, 78 was it? 79, something like that. Right the way through to the noughties, I've got every single town and city set from the UK, Europe, America. I've got quite a lot from the 70s and 60s as well. And I'll be making every single one of them. Why am I doing that? Because I'm going to try to make a little bit of money off YouTube, basically. Let's be honest, who isn't doing it for that? So if you want to subscribe, that'll help me do that, because I need to pay my obscene rent every month, and that would be rather helpful, thank you. Right, so we're getting halfway there, looking like some sort of tractor. Let's put our other hinge plate on there as well, yellow one. And we need to put some, transparent 1x2 plates there. Throw the windscreen on the floor. Let's put our roof on as well. Let's stick him in as well while we're here. Here you go. Nice condition, this nice and white still. Looked after this one. I did realise at one point as I was younger not to leave it all in our conservatory and play with it there, because it obviously goes very yellow, which is why I am dyeing some of my airport today. And it's mostly aeroplanes I'm dyeing. There's the ambulance plane, commuter jet, there's an entire police station almost. 371 garage, I'm dyeing the doors and window panes from that. Let's put these big chunky wheels on the back here. Sometimes called Technic wheels, but they're not. I use them in basic sets as well. Front pair of wheels. And put that on there. Oh, I seem to have 2 yellow lights in here. Was that a counterpart, as they call it on Bricklink? Let's check. Why have I got 2? Oh, because it was on a sprue then, weren't they? That's why. There it is. 6524 snow plough. Because it ploughs the snow, get it? Doesn't blaze the blizzards.